The history of Uttar Pradesh starts with the arrival of Aryans from Central Asian region as early as 2000 BC, when they started settling along the Doab of Ganges and Ghagra. In ancient times, Uttar Pradesh was known as Madhya Desha. It had very fertile land between Delhi and Patna. Discovery of arms and implements of ancient and Neo-Paleolithic age, and found in Mirzapur, Bundelkhand, and Sonbhadra and Pratapgarh. The history of Uttar Pradesh divided into prehistoric age, Stone Age, Protohistoric age, Bronze Age, and Historic age, Iron Age. Prehistoric age in Uttar Pradesh, broadly divided into three. Paleolithic age. During this period, people started using tools made up of stone for the first time. Evidence of these tools are found from Chhatrapalya, Mahugad, Parishdiya, Belan Valley, Allahabad, Singrauli Valley in Sonbhadra, and Chakya in Chandauli. Excavation of the Belan Valley was done under the supervision of G.R. Sharma, professor of Allahabad University. The statue of a bone built maternal goddess, along with the stone equipment, has been obtained from Lohanda Nola region of the Belan Valley. Two sites at Nehi and Gopipur were also found on the bank of small rivulets in Banda. Quartzite was the material used to make tools. In this age, people were not familiar with the process of agriculture, construction of huts, or fire, but evidence are found that animal husbandry was practiced in this age. Mesolithic age. In Uttar Pradesh, the evidence of Mesolithic age culture has been found in Mirzapur, Sonbhadra, and Pratapgarh. The tools of this age were small as compared to those of Paleolithic age. Relics of huts and pottery were found from Allahabad region. Most of the evidence has been found from Sarai Nahr Rai, Pratapgarh district of Uttar Pradesh. In Sarai Nahr Rai, 15 human skeletons have been found that were buried with head of the body towards west direction. Evidence of huts and pottery has been found in Chopani Mando, Prayagraj. The people of this age practiced hunting and gathering for their food. Area around which they practiced hunting and gathering or collecting their foods were Mirzapur, Sonbhadra, Allahabad, and Pratapgarh. Neolithic Age. It was the period of primitive technology and social development. In Uttar Pradesh, the evidence of Neolithic Age has been obtained from Prayagraj, Pratapgarh, Sonbhadra, and Mirzapur district of Uttar Pradesh. The stone tools of this period were small, beautiful, and sharper than the Mesolithic age. The earliest Neolithic sites in India is Lahore Deva, which provides evidence of slash and burn cultivation. In this age, people were well known to agricultural activities. Evidence of paddy farming were found in Koldiva, a period between 7000 to 6000 BC. The evidence of paddy's grain and stems have been found. Paddy in this age started domestication cattle, sheep, and goats. They painted potteries. Animal skin were used as cloth. Protohistoric age in Uttar Pradesh. Protohistoric age is also known as Chalcolithic age. During this period, people started using tools made up of copper for the first time. Copper tools of this age were found in Meerut and Saharanpur. In the Saharanpur इस रीजन में मिल रहा था. In the region of Upper Ganga Valley, Ganga Yamuna Doab, and some other places, grey painted pottery and other made artifacts were found. Indus Valley civilization also belongs to this age. Indus Valley civilization. This civilization has been traced from Uttar Pradesh from the period of 2500 BC. In India, the evidence of urban settlement has been discovered from Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, and Rajasthan. In Uttar Pradesh, the areas around which urban settlements were found are Alamgirpur, Meerut, Badagaon, Bagpat, and Hulas, Saharanpur. इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन का मैप देख लेते हैं. ठीक है. Alamgirpur was discovered by Bharat Sevak Samaj on the bank of river Hindon. Excavation was done in 1958 under the direction of Yag Dutt Sharma. People of Alamgirpur were involved in cultivation of cotton and live in villages. Later, the remains of Indus Valley civilization has been found from Manpur, Bulandshahr, and Mandi village and Kairana, Muzaffarnagar. Post-Indus Valley civilization. The period after Indus Valley civilization and before Vedic period is known as post-Indus Valley civilization. The ruins of ancient sites found in Uttar Pradesh are related to the Indus Valley civilization and Vedic period. The copper utensils which were excavated from Alamgirpur, Hulas, Kanpur, Unnao, Mirzapur and Mathura are related to the post-Indus Vedic civilization. Historic age in Uttar Pradesh. Historic age is also known as Iron Age. This period was known as Iron Age because tools and other artifacts were made from iron for the first time. In this age, painted grey ware and black polished utensils were found. The evidence of Iron Age has been traced from Ahichatra, Hastinapur, Atranji Kheda, Mathura, Shravasti, and Kampalia. Iron material and furnaces have been found in Hastinapur and Atranji Kheda. वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन एंड उत्तर प्रदेश. वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन का ये अर्ली वैदिक सिविलाइजेशन का मैप है. ठीक है. The Iron Age is also known as Vedic Age. Developed between 5000 BC to 600 BC. It expands from Indus river region Pakistan to Bengal, India. ये area. It has been divided into two parts. Rig Vedic period 1500 to 1000 BC. Main source of information of Vedic period is the Rig Veda. During this period, Aryan civilization was limited to Punjab and Sindh region only. Here was the residence of the Panchajana, included Anu, Dhruya, Yadu, Puru, and Turvashas. Post-Vedic period 1000 to 600 BC. This period developed only on Rigvedic culture. During this period, Vedic culture has expanded from almost northern India to eastern Bengal, including Uttar Pradesh. Main center of post-Vedic period was Doab region of Ganga and Saraswati. Earlier it was known as Madhya Desha. Large sites like Kuru and Panchal were included under Madhya Desha. Kuru kingdom was expanded from Meerut to Delhi and Thaneshwar. Asandivata, Hastinapur was the capital of Kuru. Kuru was expanded to Bareilly, Budayun, Farrukhabad and its capital Kampilia. Panchal was a well-developed state among all the kingdoms. Kuru and Panchal region was the land of great sages like Bharadwaj, Valmiki, Vashishta and Yajnavalkya. Epic era in Uttar Pradesh. After Vedic period, two epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata were written in Uttar Pradesh, which were source of modern history. By this time, Aryan civilization had spread to Anga in east. It included kingdom Koshambi, Koshala, Kashi, Vidya, Magadha, and Anga. The story of Lord Rama related to Ikshvaku dynasty. Its writer was Maharishi Valmiki. The story of Mahabharata is related to Kuru dynasty of Hastinapur. Maharishi Ved Vyas was the writer of Mahabharata. Mahajanpadas and Uttar Pradesh. Buddhist literature. Anguttara Nikaya, Mahavasutu and Jain literature. Bhagavati Sutra contains 16 Mahajanpadas. Among 16 Mahajanpadas, only 8 were located in Uttar Pradesh. These were Kuru, Panchal, Shursen, Vatsa, Kosal, Malla, Kashi, and Chedi. List of Mahajanpadas with their capital and extension area in Uttar Pradesh. कुरु, मेरठ, दिल्ली, थानेश्वर, इंद्रप्रस्थ दिल्ली कैपिटल था। पांचाल का एक्सटेंशन एरिया था बरेली, बुदायूं, फरुखाबाद। कैपिटल था अहिचत्रा, बरेली एंड कंपिल्या। शुरुसेना का एक्सटेंशन एरिया मथुरा, कैपिटल मथुरा। कोसाला का एक्सटेंशन एरिया अवध, कैपिटल साकेत एंड श्रावस्ती। वात्सा का कैपिटल एरिया मतलब एक्सटेंशन एरिया था प्रयागराज और कैपिटल था कौशाम्बी प्रयागराज। मल्ला का एक्सटेंशन एरिया था कुशीनगर, कैपिटल था कुशीनगर एंड पावर। काशी का एक्सटेंशन एरिया वाराणसी और कैपिटल था वाराणसी। चेडी का था एक्सटेंशन एरिया बुंदेलखंड, कैपिटल था सुक्ति मती बांदा। महाजनपद कुरु, पांचाला, कोसाला, मल्ला, ब्रिजी, मगधा, अंगा, काशी, वात्सा, सूर्यसेना, मात्स्या, चेडी और यहाँ पे अवंती। Emergence of new religions. The emergence of Jainism and Buddhism in the 6th century BC had a considerable effect on the regions of Uttar Pradesh. This is discussed below. Jainism. Parasnath was the 23rd Tirthankara of Jainism. According to Jain text, he was born in Varanasi. Mahavir Swami was the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism. He was born in Vaishali, Bihar. Jainism had spread in Uttar Pradesh even before the arrival of Mahavir Swami. During Kushana period, Mathura was a prosperous center for Jains. Tirthankara such as Parasnath, Sambarnath and Chandraprabha attained Kaivalya in Uttar Pradesh. Many evidence of Jainism has been found from Mathura. In northern India, two major pilgrimage sites are located in Mathura and Ujjain. Buddhism. Founded by Gautam Buddha. Born in 563 BC at Lumbini. His father Sudhodana was the king of Kapilvastu. He belonged to Sakya dynasty and his mother belonged to Kosala dynasty. At the age of 35 at Uruvela, Bodh Gaya, on the river bank of river Nirjana, he attained Nirvana. Sarnath was the place where he preached his first sermon, which was called Dharmachakra Pravartana. There he gave two elements of the Holy Trinity of Buddhism, that is Dhamma or Sangha. In 483 BC, Buddha obtained Mahaparivarna at the age of 80 in Kushinagar. Uttar Pradesh is also known as Palana of Buddha religion or cradle of Buddhism. He spent more time of his work life here. Buddha period, there were 7 republics: Kapilvastu, Shakya, Sumar, Chunar, Kalam of Kelput, Kolia of Rangran, Malla of Kushinara, Malla of Pava, and Maurya of Pipliwana. Other religion. In Uttar Pradesh, except the Jainism and Buddhism, the god and goddesses of Brahmana religion have been found like Vishnu, Vasudeva, Surya, Durga, Lakshmi, etc. Due to this, Mathura is called the birthplace of sculpture of India. Magadha Empire. Magadha was an ancient Indian kingdom in southern Bihar. It was counted as one of the 16th Mahajanpadas of ancient India. Magadha played an important role for the development of Jainism and Buddhism. The two of India's greatest empires, the Maurya Empire and Gupta Empire, originated in Magadha. This empire was founded by Bimbisara. Kaushal and Avanti was also conquered by Magadha Empire. After the death of Bimbisara, Ajatashatru became the ruler of Magadha Empire. He ruled over Bihar and half of Uttar Pradesh. Magadha Empire was ruled by Haryank, Shishunag and Nanda dynasty. Mahapadmananda was the most powerful ruler of Magadha Empire. In 323 BC, Chandragupta Maurya became the emperor of Magadha. Maurya Empire. Chandragupta Maurya founded the Maurya dynasty in 322 BC. He dethroned Dhananand with the help of Kautilya. He expanded his kingdom from Iran, Saurashtra in West Bengal in the east, Himalaya in the north, and Karnataka in the south. In 305 BC, Chandragupta defeated Seleucus Nicator and Hindu Kush became boundary between their states. Megasthenes was sent to the court of Chandragupta Maurya by Seleucus Nicator. Chandragupta Maurya was succeeded by his son Bindusar. Bindusar patronized Ajivikas. Ashoka the Great was the grandson of Chandragupta and son of Bindusar, who ruled almost all of the Indian subcontinent from 268 to 232 BC. He is related to the Brahmana religion. Later he converted to Buddhism. According to Buddhist tradition, Ashoka won the throne after killing 99 brothers, sparing only Tisa, the youngest one. Ashoka's inscription of Topa and Meerut were shifted to Delhi by Firoz Shah Tughlaq, and inscription of Koshambi was established in fort of Prayag by Mughal Emperor Akbar. Ashoka created the state of four lions in Sarnath. The lion pillar of Ashoka has been adopted as the national emblem of India. The sculpture and inscription of Ashoka period were constructed with sandstone of Chinnar. Dharm Rajika Stupa was built by Ashoka in Sarnath. List of Ashoka's pillar and major rock edicts in Uttar Pradesh. Meerut inscription. Sarnath Varanasi pillar inscription or schism. Edicts. Allahabad originally located at Koshambi. Pillar edicts 1 to 6. Queen's edict. Schism edict probably moved to Allahabad by Jahangir. Kalsi near Chakrata Dehradun, now in Uttarakhand. Major rock edicts. Koshambi minor rock edicts. यहाँ पे अरोरा नियर मिर्जापुर माइनर रॉक एडिक्ट्स. संकिसा एलिफेंट कैपिटल ओनली. टोपड़ा खिजराबाद सहारनपुर, यहाँ से इंस्क्रिप्शन मिला है. फेमस रूलिंग डायनेस्टीज ऑफ एंशियंट पीरियड. मौर्य डायनेस्टी, शुंगा, साका, कुषाण, गुप्ता, कानवा, गुर्जरा, प्रतिहारा, Chandela or Garhwal dynasty were some famous ruling dynasties of ancient period of Uttar Pradesh. These are discussed below. Shunga dynasty map. This dynasty was established by Pushyamitra Shunga in 185 BC. The capital of Shunga dynasty was Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh. Greatest Buddhist stupa at Bharat, MP was built during his reign. It is known from the rock document found at Ayodhya that Shunga dynasty was a Brahman caste. Pushyamitra Shunga made Ashwamedh Yajna at Jagatgram near Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Patanjali was the priest of two Ashwamedh Yajnas performed by Pushyamitra Shunga. He was born at Gonada in central India and wrote Mahabhasya. He was the expounder of yoga philosophy. In Patanjali's Mahavash, it is mentioned that Saket, Ayodhya, was surrounded by Yavans, Yunanis. The Yavan attackers, led by Menander, captured Kathiawar, Sakal, and Sialkot and Mathura. They were challenged and defeated by Vasumitra, grandson of Pushumitra. Famous monuments built during Shunga period were Bharut Stupa, Sachi Stupa, Amravati Stupa, Nasik Chaitya, etc. Pushyamitra was succeeded by his son Agnimitra, the hero of Kalidasa's drama Malvika Agnimitra. Kanva dynasty. The Kanva dynasty 775 to 30 BC was a Brahmin dynasty which replaced the Shunga dynasty. The first king of this dynasty was Vasudeva. This dynasty continued to rule for 45 years and it was brought to an end in 28 BC by Saimak. He was the founder of Satvana dynasty. उसके बाद है कुषाण dynasty map. The Kushan dynasty was founded by Kujula Cadphises, known as Cadphises I. The second king of Kushana dynasty was Bhima Cadphises, also known as Cadwallaces II, who issued gold coins. These coins are found from Mathura. These coins have images of Shiva, Trishul, and Nandi carved on them. The greatest ruler, Kanishka, was the son of Varma, Cardiphases of Kushan dynasty. The capital of second Kushan dynasty were at Peshawar, Purushpura, and Mathura. Kanishka started an era in 58 BC. Kanishka started an era in 78 AD, known as the Shaka era. In Kanishka reign, fourth Buddhist council was held in Kundalwana, Kashmir. The Kushan were the first ruler in India to issue gold coins on a wide scale. These coins are found from Mathura. Mathura was the center of trade and culture during Kushan periods. During Kushan period, two art forms were developed, that is, Gandhar and Mathura art form. Parshva, Vasumitra, Ashwaghosha, Nagarjuna, Charakka and Mathura were scholars and were patronized by Kanishka. इसके बाद हम देखते हैं यह Shaka dynasty. They replaced the Indo-Greeks in India, also known as Scythians. The most famous ruler in India was Rudradaman 132-150 AD. The first king of Shaka dynasty was Mayus or Moga. He established Kshatrap dynasty in Mathura around 60 BC and died around 38 BC. The territories of Mathura Kshatrapa were extended from Mathura to Punjab. In about 58 BC, a king of Ujjain, Vikramaditya, is supposed to have fought effectively against the Shakas. Indo-Greek invasion. Indo-Greek were the first among the foreign invaders in India who invaded India. Menanders 165 to 145 BC was the most famous among all the Indo-Greek invaders. His kingdom expanded from river Jhelum to Mathura in Uttar Pradesh. फिर है गुप्ता डायनेस्टी. It was founded by Shri Gupta. He used the title of Maharaja. Shri Gupta was succeeded by his son. Ghatotkacha. Ghatotkacha was also inherited the title of Maharaja. Chandragupta I was the first ruler to rule first ruler to use the title of Maharaja Dhiraj. He solidified his state after he had married the daughter of Lichvi dynasty. The powerful Lichvi had control over Bihar and Nepal. He started Gupta era in 319 to 320 AD. Chandragupta I was able to establish his authority over Allahabad, Awadh and South Bihar. Chandragupta I was succeeded by his son Samudragupta. He was called the Napoleon of India due to his military campaigns by V.A. Smith. The most authentic record of his reign is described in the Prayag Prashasti, Allahabad pillar inscription composed by his court poet Harisena. Samudragupta was succeeded by his son Chandragupta II. He was also known as Vikramaditya. This period is referred to as the classical age or classical language of ancient India. It was the time of Chandragupta II that the Chinese pilgrim Fahian visited India. He married Kuber Naga or Naga dynasty. During Gupta period, splendid Buddhist states were constructed in Sarnath and Mathura. Temple art was developed during Gupta period. The temple of Kanpur, Jhansi, Bhitregaon, Gazipur and Bhitari are examples of temple art of Gupta period. इसके बाद list of inscription of Gupta period. Bilsad, it is located in district of Uttar Pradesh. It is the oldest record of Kumar Gupta first reign and dated इसमें देखा ये चली गई dated Gupta year 96 which correspond to 415 AD. Kadwa. It is located in Karchana Tehsil of Prayagraj. The two inscriptions have been found of Kumar Gupta's reign. From here also the last inscription of Skand Gupta is found. गाड़वा यहाँ पे करमदंडा. It is located in Ayodhya. It belongs to the Kumar Gupta reign which dated Gupta year 117 which corresponds to 436 AD. The peculiarity of this inscription is that it is engraved on a linga which is of a stone and found in a site called Bharadi Din Faizabad. इस एरिया में Mankuvar. It is located in Prayagraj and is dated Gupta year 129 which correspond to 448 AD. It is a Buddhist image inscription in Kumar Gupta's reign. It is made up of Buddhist monk Buddha Mitra. फिर उसके बाद है मथुरा. This inscription is damaged and it is not possible to date the inscription to read the dedication. It is made up of stone. It is of Chandragupta. Its is reign which is recently dated to 388 AD. फिर है ये हो गया मथुरा ये. फिर है भिटारी. It is also known as Saidpur, an ancient village in Gazipur. It describes the reign of Skandagupta and Kumar Gupta first from the Bhitari pillar inscription. It is known that Purugupta was the immediate successor of Kumar Gupta first. फिर है वर्धना डायनेस्टी और पुष्यभूति डायनेस्टी. मैप देखते हैं. Capital of this dynasty was Thaneshwar. First important ruler of this dynasty was Prabhakavardhan. Prabhakavardhan was succeeded by his eldest son Rajyavardhan. Harshvardhan defeated Dhruv Sena II, who was the Maitraka ruler of Vallabhi. Chinese traveler Huin Tasang visited India at the time of Harshvardhana. Huin Tasang आए थे हर्षवर्धना के समय में. His kingdom was expanded from Thaneshwar to river Narmada in the south, Ganjam in the east and Vallabhi in the west. He is also known as Mahodayashri because of the development of Kannauj. He organized two religious conferences in Prayag and Kannauj in 643 AD. इसके बाद हम देखते हैं गुर्जरा प्रतिहार डायनेस्टी. After Vardhana dynasty, Yashovarman was the ruler of Kannauj for a short period for 200 years. The triangular struggle between the three kingdoms of Rashtrakutas, Palas and Pratiharas continued on Kannauj. Inscription which was found from Gwalior proved that Pratihara's king Nagbhatta II defeated Chakrayuddha, the ruler of Kannauj, and made Kannauj his kingdom's capital. Mihir Bhoja, Mahipala and Mahendrapala etc. were the major rulers of this dynasty. In the reign of King Bhoj, Suleiman came to India in 1018 to 19. Muhammad of Ghazni invaded India and defeated Pratiharas. इसके बाद चंदेला एंड गढ़वाल डायनेस्टी. After the fall of Gurjara Pratihas, two new dynasties of Chandela and Garhwal dynasty emerged in the state. Mahobaz Chandela ruled nearly for 400 years. Their evidence are still available in Khajuraho. Garhwal dynasty was founded by Chandradeva in Kannauj. Govind Chandra and Jay Chandra were famous kings of this dynasty. In the Battle of Chandawar, Firozabad in 1194, Muhammad Ghori defeated Jay Chandra, the last ruler of Garhwal dynasty, and killed him. Timeline 648 to 320 BC. Magda Empire 322 to 187 BC Maurya Empire 185 to 78 BC Shunga Dynasty 75 to 30 BC Kanva Dynasty 90 to 100 AD Kushan Dynasty around 78 AD Shaka Dynasty 319 to 543 AD Gupta Dynasty 550 to 647 AD Vardhana Dynasty mid 18th to 16th century AD Gurjara Pratihara Dynasty 9 to 13th dynasty century AD चांदेला एंड गढ़वाला डायनेस्टी। अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं। कॉपर टूल्स फ्रॉम विच एज वर फाउंड इन मेरठ एंड सहारनपुर? आंसर है चालकोलिथिक एज। सेकंड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटर ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन? आंसर है थर्ड फोर्थ। आलमगीरपुर नहीं करता है और हुलास नहीं करता है। थर्ड, विच साइट वॉज डिस्कवर्ड बाय भारत सेवक समाज ऑन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर हिंडन? आंसर है आलमगीरपुर। फोर, कोशाला या अयोध्या mentioned in Lord Rama's story was related to which of the following dynasty? Answer है Ikshvaku. 5. Which of the following Buddhist literature mentioned the Mahajanpadas? आंसर इसका है अंगुत्तरा निकाय। 6. Mahajanpadas are contained in which of the Jain literature? आंसर है भगवती सूत्रा। 7. How many Mahajanpadas are related to उत्तर प्रदेश? आंसर है 8। 8. During the period of Mahajanpadas, Mathura was the capital of? आंसर है काशी। 9. The capital of Shivsena Mahajanpada was? आंसर है मथुरा। 10. During the Mahajanpadas period, the capital city of Koshala was? आंसर है both A and B, श्रावस्ती भी था, साकेत भी था। 11. Kushinagar was the capital of? आंसर है मालास। 12. The 23rd Tirthankara Parashnath was born in which of the following districts of Uttar Pradesh? आंसर है वाराणसी। 13. Which of the following sacred Buddhist place is situated on the river Niranjana? आंसर है बोध गया। 14. In Uttar Pradesh, the Buddha gave his first sermon and laid the foundation of his work in? आंसर है सारनाथ। 15. The Mahaparinirvana of Mahatma Buddha took place at? आंसर है कुशीनगर। 16. At which of the following place Ashoka did not go for pilgrimage? आंसर है अयोध्या, हरिद्वार। 17. Who took Ashoka's pillar inscription of Topra and Meerut to Delhi? आंसर इसका है फिरोज शाह तुगलक। 18. Which of the following pillar of Ashoka was not found in Uttar Pradesh? आंसर है सिद्धार्थ नगर। 19. Pushmitra Sunga made his capital at dash? आंसर है विदिशा। 20. The expounder of yoga philosophy is? आंसर है पतंजलि। 21. Kannauj was known as dash at the time of Harshvardhana? आंसर है महोबा श्री। 22. Before Kannauj, the capital of the Harshvardhana was? आंसर है थानेश्वर। 23. The famous assembly in the reign of Harshvardhana were held at? आंसर है कन्नौज, प्रयाग। 24. At which of the following places did Harshvardhana organize Buddha Congress? आंसर है प्रज्ञा कह रहा हूँ। 24 वापस से देखते हैं। At which of the following places did Harshvardhana organize Buddha Congress? आंसर है प्रयाग। 25. The last ruler of Garhwala dynasty was? आंसर है जयचंद्र। 26. मैच लिस्ट 1 महाजनपदा लिस्ट 2 कैपिटल। वात्सा का था कौशाम्बी, शुरू सेना का है मथुरा, चेडी का जो है वो है पावा, माला का जो है वो है शक्तिमाला।